this is the key to building a successful portfolio. This is making millionaires every day. Hey honeybees, my name is Ciara and I do videos on finance and lifestyle. I've helped hundreds of people to buy homes and build wealth. So I take everything I know, I share it with you guys in hopes that you will build wealth also. Okay, so if you haven't already guessed it, I am talking about investing. I don't want you to think you have to have a ton of money to invest. You don't. You can start with however much you have. Also, investing has become really mainstream. There's a lot of platforms and apps and different ways that companies are trying to bring investing to everyday people. It's allowing everyday people to obtain wealth. I'm going to give you some tips on how I started out and how you can too. I'm also going to give you some hacks or some investing tips that I have learned personally in the past year while I have been investing and having some overall success. I'm going to take everything I've learned and I'm going to share it with you. Okay. So first things first, I would suggest reading up and educating yourself about the stock market before you invest anything. I started with a book called Stock Market for Dummies. Read up on the stock market, educate yourself on the basic terms. I would really suggest learning how it works and what information is important to know when buying stocks. Know for yourself how it works, do your own research. That way, when you make decisions, you can make informed decisions. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is choose a platform on which you will trade. There are many out there, but the best, in my opinion, is actually a new app that I came upon, and it is called Moomoo. Now, Moomoo is a trading platform offered by Moomoo Incorporated. It's an investment app that lets you invest in US stocks, options, ETFs, and other opportunities. One thing I like about Moomoo is that it is commission-free and it has a range of enticing features such as level 2 data, extended trading hours, and in-depth quote and analysis tools. And the app actually has a 4.7 out of 5 star rating in the Apple Store with over 2.8K rating. So it is an app that is trusted by a lot of people. Like I said, there's free advanced level 2 data. What is level 2 data? Level 2 data actually shows the top 40 brokers on the bid and ask side. And they provide this with no additional costs and with unlimited time. That's actually a saving of $60 a year compared to $5 a month cost to access level 2 data on Robinhood. This also gives you real-time and customizable data charts and indicators on both desktop and mobile. This just gives you even more information you need in order to make informed decisions about buying stocks and investing. Another reason I like Moomoo is because they also have impressive charting features, including some standard charts and advanced multi-charting with over 50 technical indicators, including the VWAP, which is loved by day traders. It provides all the frames charting from 1 minute, 5 minutes to a year. And most importantly, the data is real time. So you may want to compare the data loading and refreshing speed on Moomoo versus Robinhood. At the same time point, Robinhood charts are usually delayed by a few seconds actually. Now, the in-depth quote and analysis tool, this is major. So a big part of making money in stock trading is to pick the right stock and the right entry point for that stock. So rich in real-time data and intuitive stock screening tools are essential to help with this selection process. Okay, so for example, capital flow, it tells you the trends of the current market. You get capital, technical, and fundamental analysis of the company. You get ratings from third-party professional analysts to help you make a rational decision. And the stock screener allows you to search stocks by industry, net profit, growth rate, revenue, etc. An AI monitor provides customizable alerts, and it's possible to get free stocks. So Moomoo actually is having a limited time promotion that offers up to 4 free stocks. You get 1 free stock by depositing $100 or more, and you get 3 free stocks by depositing $5,000 or more. Okay, so I'm basically just going to show you how you can get started quickly and easily with the app. Now with Moomoo, you can discover market opportunities. There's a customizable stock screener, which gives you multiple stock screening criteria. There's heat lists, global lists, and a pre and post market. This displays top movers in the pre and the post market by pre-post market prices and percentage changes. You also get comprehensive company analysis, and with that you get company financials and a stock compare. This gives you overall company financials of revenue composition, financial estimates, and financial statements. Moomoo also integrates company financials from multiple professional sources. So instead of the complicated Form 10K, Moomoo has graphical financial reports which give you a more direct view of the company's financial situation. There's an AI monitor. This is so cool. It monitors the volatility of stocks with abnormal motion index. There's price alert, which allows you to set a custom price alert for price rise or drop to a certain price. There's similar charts and AI forecast. This is a AI powered tool to forecast the trend of stock price based on similar charts. There's 24/7 financial news so that you can read the latest financial news from professional financial publishers including Bloomberg, Dow Jones, and Reuters for free. There's a financial calendar which gives you an aggregated financial calendar providing you with an updated market overview. So you get an economic data calendar, earnings calendar, IPO calendar, and a div split calendar. And if that's not enough, Moomoo even provides editorial content. So you can stay up to date with important financial news hand-picked by the Moomoo editorial team. There's morning briefing, market recap, what to expect the week ahead, options montage, daily ratings, IPO buzz, and an earnings preview. I love Moomoo because I'm a nerd, I'm analytical, and let's be honest, if you are putting your money somewhere, you want to make sure you know every doggone thing about it. And that's what I love about this app is it's so intuitive, it's so analytical, there's so many tools offered for free. It is my new favorite trading app, and so I wanted to share it with you guys too. Okay, so if you're new to investing in stocks and you don't know where to start, here are some helpful hacks that I've learned. Number one, start small. Do not put all your money in the market at once. Start with what you can and increase your contributions as you learn more about the market. 2, diversify. Do not invest all your money in one stock. Buy stocks from companies in different industries. Number 3, invest in blue chip stocks. Blue chips are stocks of reputable and long-standing companies with a proven track record and consistent growth. These are going to be your safest stocks, so to speak. 4, never invest in free tips or advice. Do your own research. I said it at the beginning of this video. I will continue to say it. Do your own research. This is one of the biggest reasons why people lose money in the stock market. Don't blindly follow someone else's advice or stock picks without vetting it yourself. 5, don't follow the crowd. Don't just buy a stock because everyone else is buying it and it's hyped up. This is the quickest way to lose your money. 6, invest in what you know. What you know and understand, this is the key to building a successful portfolio. If you are super knowledgeable about sports, then maybe you're investing in sports related stocks. I know a good deal about real estate and the mortgage industry, so I have a subset of stocks that I invest in that are real estate or mortgage related. And because I know the industry so well, I'm better able to gauge which stocks to buy and when. Let's say you're not super knowledgeable about any specific industry, all you have to do is research. Don't invest in anything that you have no clue about. 7, know the market. This goes along with doing your research. Keep an eye on market trends and what the market is doing. Use the Moomoo app and the analysis tools if you need to. Make sure you understand what the market is doing before you make decisions on what stocks to buy. Maintain realistic expectations. Don't let your expectations get too high. Be patient and make logistical moves for the long game. 8, follow a plan. This is where you have to have discipline and stick to your plan or strategy. Don't get distracted if your portfolio starts performing too well or too bad. Stick to your plan, stick to your strategy. 9, invest regularly. Invest for the long term, and even if it's just a little bit, try to invest regularly and or when you get a good opportunity. 10, continue learning, continue researching, and continue growing your knowledge. The market changes all the time and you have to keep up with it. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for those of you who are interested in delving into passive income, investing in the stock market. Definitely check out the Moomoo app. I really love it and I would not recommend it to you guys if I didn't use it myself, love it myself, if it wasn't something that I think could be really helpful for you guys. So definitely check the description box where I will link it. And also leave any comments or questions in the comment section. Make sure to hit the bell button so you're notified when I upload my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the Honeybee fam. Thank you guys so much. I love you to the bank and back, and I'll see you in my next video.